Hey y'all, before we get into the video, I want to shout out today's sponsor, HelloFresh. And HelloFresh is America's #1 meal kit delivery service where you can get seasonal chef-created recipes with pre-portioned ingredients delivered directly to your door. Welcome to Lyasia's Cucina, aka Lyasia's Kitchen. Got this apron made while I was in Italy, but let's get down to dinner, okay? Because if you are like me and you hate that dreaded question every night of what are we gonna have for dinner, then HelloFresh is for you, okay? Because HelloFresh cuts out the stressful meal planning and prepping. That way you can just enjoy cooking and have dinner ready and on the table in about 30 minutes. And we love that, right? We love quick meals at the end of a long, busy day. So each meal is bagged and already pre-portioned with the exact ingredients needed for that meal. So that's less prep time and also less wasted food, which is definitely a plus. I feel like we all can relate to the fact that we have those like 4 recipes that we just rotate each week, and HelloFresh can definitely change that for you and get you out of that rut of just eating the same old thing over and over and then you're getting bored. What's also great about HelloFresh is that it's very flexible for your lifestyle and your schedule. So you can always add extra dinners or lunches to your weekly orders. You can throw in extra proteins, or you can change your delivery days or even your food preferences. You can skip a week whenever you need to. It is so easy and convenient and very flexible because we all have different schedules. If you guys are interested in trying HelloFresh, just hit the link in my description box and use code LyasiaInTheCity10 and you'll get 10 free meals across 4 boxes.
The next day.
Today is going to be kind of a busy day for me because it's finally time to take down the Christmas decor. I already kind of started moving some things around. Like I took off the little tabletop setup that I had on my island. I already kind of moved that a couple of days ago, but it's time to tackle the tree. It has to go down. And yeah, I'm sad to see it go because I love it so much. It makes me so happy when I wake up and I come out here and just see the tree and it's just cozy and I just love the vibe, but it gotta go. Can't leave it up forever. So that's what I'm doing today. Plus I have some cleaning to do, some laundry to do, some organizing to do, especially in my filming room, because I got in some containers that I want to organize, like my makeup, and then figure out what else I need to continue the organization. But yeah, so that's what today is all about. So I'll be showing you guys some of that, and also I'll be able to give you a few updates on just how things are starting to look in here, because I have not shown you guys anything. Around the Thanksgiving holiday, our moms came and they stayed with us for about 2 weeks. So we were spending time with them. We were getting things coming in, and honestly, I just didn't focus on really furnishing anything because we had already done the tree. We already had Christmas stuff up by like mid-November. So when they came, you know, that was up. We were just enjoying them. They left, and then throughout December, I was just all I wanted to do was eat, drink, and be merry. So that's what I did. And then I realized I have not been focusing on furnishing this place, and now it's time to get to it. It's January, and yeah, it's a lot that still needs to be done. And now I'm getting back to focusing on it. So I'm gonna show you guys what it's looking like now. And then I'll be bringing you along as I continue to furnish and get new things, because I'm focusing on that going forward for sure. So yeah, let's just get into this, right? Yeah, here's a couch. I didn't really update you guys when I got the couch, but this is what it looks like. We got it from City Furniture and we love it. We ended up having to wait an additional 3 weeks for it because it got delayed by like 3 weeks to a month. So we didn't get it until like the very end of November. But I love it. I'm happy with it. And then this side over here, you guys didn't see because it ended up not being included in the home decor video, because this console right here from IKEA was a pain in my you know what. Because for 3 weeks we were back and forth with them, because back in November when we got it delivered, they didn't send us the hinges. So we were missing hinges. We had someone from TaskRabbit come set up a lot of things for us during that time because we just didn't feel like being bothered with it ourselves. And we were missing hinges when he was putting everything up. So luckily he was here to do other stuff too. So he put the bar cart together. He put like a dresser together. This had to wait. We had to contact them literally back and forth for like 3 weeks between it not being sent, having to call back. They said it got canceled, had to do it over, still didn't get it, had to call back. So I was like, you know what? Forget it. I'm not going to keep waiting to get my video out. So that's why the Christmas video went out without you seeing this, because it was half up. The drawers weren't in, the shelves weren't in. It was a mess. But then we got it done probably 2 weeks before Christmas, and I did throw up my garland that I bought for it, but I didn't buy anything else to decorate with. I'm like, forget it now. Christmas is in 2 weeks. Forget it now. But yeah, but here's what it looks like, and it is still very cute. So that's what this looks like. You guys didn't see it in the other video. My record player is there. I had to move it over because the garland was in the way. So yeah, some little living room updates. So yeah, I'm just gonna end this video here. I am so tired, and I thought I was gonna show you guys some organizing things in the filming room, but I'm not gonna work on that tonight. I'm tired. So that'll just be in another vlog because I'm tired, so I'm not doing anything else. But this is kind of what it's looking like in here. All the Christmas decor is gone, and it's time for me to go to bed. So I would just see you guys in my next upload. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button.